English 121, Day 19, Argumentation, from the Allen and Bacon Guide, pages 331 to 335. Argumentation involves two distinct components. It always is a process of truth-seeking and persuasion. Truth-seeking refers to diligent, open-minded, and responsible searching for the best course of action or solution to a problem, taking into account all the available information and alternative points of view. From truth-seeking, we move on to the process of persuasion, which is the art of making a claim on an issue and justifying it convincingly so that the audience's initial resistance to your position is overcome and they are moved toward your opinion. Truth-seeking and persuasion go hand in hand as a two-step process in argumentation. Argument, as we're referring to it for the purposes of this course, does not refer to fighting, as we may have been involved in our personal lives, nor does it refer to a pro-con debate, because such an approach usually reduces the options in the argument to only two sides, a pro side and a con side. Whereas when we refer to argumentation for the purposes of this course, we're referring to issues that are much more complex and have multiple dimensions to them. So in that sense, argument is both a process and a product. So it is a process in that it involves the truth-seeking process, and it is an active inquiry characterized by fact-finding, information gathering, and consideration of alternative points of view. And again, that's the truth-seeking part of it. Then we move on to actually present our argumentative product, which is a contribution to the conversation at any one moment surrounding a particular issue. And this is where persuasion actually comes into play. Also be sure that you understand the different stages in developing your arguments. The most basic kinds of arguments are merely personal opinions. These are short, undeveloped arguments that are circular, lacking in evidence, and insulting to those who disagree, like you oftentimes see on bumper stickers. From basic personal opinions, you can move on to develop a more structured claim supported by one or more reasons. This provides a rational plan containing point sentences that refer to the reasons and particular pieces of evidence to support the reasons that support the overall claim. From your structured claim and reason set, you move on to an increased attention to truth-seeking. This allows you to be engaged with the complexity of the issue, incorporating research and, most importantly, multiple perspectives. Once you're able to seek out the truth and identify multiple and alternative perspectives, you will gain the ability to articulate unstated underlying assumptions. These are assumptions of the writer and the audience that are stated, analyzed, and supported. Finally, you'll move on to a much greater understanding of your audience and the ability to link to the values and beliefs of that intended audience. This adapts the structure and tone of the argument to the resistance level of the audience using psychological strategies. Understanding these parts in the process will help you as you work toward argumentation in this course.